Avocado and olive oils are both praised for their health benefits, including heart-friendly fats and anti-inflammatory properties. But deciding which one is better for you can be tough. This video breaks down the differences between them to help you choose wisely. I was particularly intrigued to dive into this topic because, coming from an Italian household, olive oil was the go-to for everything, from frying to baking. So truth be told, I've never ventured into using avocado oil before. So naturally, I was eager to explore its potential. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Avocado oil is made from avocados, which are fruits from Central America. It's available as refined or unrefined. Unrefined avocado oil keeps its natural color and flavor, while refined oil is extracted using heat and sometimes chemical solvents. Refined avocado oil lasts longer but has less flavor. Avocado oil is used in cooking and skincare and has been linked to lowering bad cholesterol. Olive oil, a key part of Mediterranean cooking, is squeezed from olives. It comes in different types like pure, extra virgin, or virgin. Extra virgin and virgin olive oils keep their flavor and nutrients intact because they're cold pressed. Other types like pure or simply labeled olive oil might have a milder taste because they're made using heat or chemicals. Olive oil is used in cooking and also as a dip, and like avocado oil, it's believed to have health benefits like reducing cancer risks and improving cholesterol levels. Here is a benefits comparison between avocado oil and olive oil. Number 1, understanding nutrition. When it comes to nutrition, avocado oil and olive oil are pretty similar. They both have about the same number of calories and similar types of fat. Avocado oil has a bit more polyunsaturated fat than olive oil, but it's not a big difference. Both oils are mainly made of oleic acid, which is a good type of fat that might help with inflammation and blood pressure, according to studies. Number 2, packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants act as defenders in your body, battling harmful molecules known as free radicals. Both avocado oil and olive oil contain these impressive antioxidants, particularly one called vitamin E. However, olive oil may contain slightly more vitamin E than avocado oil. In a study, it was discovered that 1 tablespoon of avocado oil contains around 23% of this beneficial nutrient, while olive oil contains about 33%. Additionally, both avocado oil and olive oil are abundant in lutein, another powerful antioxidant. Lutein acts as a protective shield for your skin and eyes, guarding them against hazards like the sun's harmful rays. Therefore, incorporating oils like avocado and olive into your routine can help maintain the health and safety of your skin and eyes. Number 3, skincare benefits. Taking care of your skin is crucial, and both avocado oil and olive oil are excellent choices for maintaining its health. They contain beneficial elements like fatty acids, vitamin E, and lutein. Research suggests that using avocado oil can improve the texture of dry, rough, or damaged skin and may even alleviate conditions like psoriasis. In a small study, a cream containing avocado oil and vitamin B12 showed promising results in reducing psoriasis symptoms. Additionally, animal studies have indicated that avocado oil can enhance wound healing by promoting collagen production and reducing inflammation. Olive oil has been long valued for its skin-nourishing properties and is commonly used in skincare products. Numerous studies have demonstrated olive oil's ability to protect against infections and aid in the healing of burns, cuts, and pressure sores. Whether you opt for avocado oil or olive oil, both can serve as a special treat for your skin. Number 4, heat tolerance. The smoke point of an oil is when it gets too hot and starts breaking down, creating harmful substances. Avocado oil can handle higher temperatures before reaching this point compared to olive oil. This means avocado oil takes longer to start burning or smoking. For instance, avocado oil can withstand temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius, while olive oil might start smoking and burning at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 Celsius. So, when cooking at high temperatures like sautéing, grilling, searing, or baking, it's best to use avocado oil. Before we get to our last benefits comparison, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Healthy Food Crush content. Number 5, enhancing nutrient absorption. Consuming foods rich in monosaturated fats, such as avocado and olive oil, can improve your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. This is particularly beneficial for substances like carotenoids, which are antioxidants present in colorful fruits and vegetables. Carotenoids are more effectively absorbed when consumed alongside high-fat foods because they are attracted to fat. For instance, in a study where participants ate salad with avocado oil dressing, they absorbed more carotenoids from the vegetables. Similarly, another study discovered that adding olive oil to tomato juice increased the absorption of lycopene, a type of carotenoid. Therefore, incorporating oils like avocado or olive into your meals can enhance your body's uptake of these beneficial nutrients. In summary, both avocado oil and olive oil are nutritious options because they're packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. They're both great for your heart because they contain a similar kind of fat called oleic acid, which is really good for you. Plus, they both support healthy skin and can help wounds heal faster. Avocado oil is especially useful for cooking at high temperatures because it can handle the heat better than olive oil. But whether you choose avocado oil or olive oil, both are smart choices to add to your diet for a healthier you. To our audience, I would love to know your thoughts on this topic. Are you team avocado oil or team olive oil? Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.